Hello friends! This episode of Quick Review and Unboxing will be about the 1-4 scale Sukhoi Su-27UB from Hobbyboss. The kit was released in 2017 and it's quite price-worthy compared to other manufacturers. A bit cheaper is only the academic kit. The model is molded from a grey-hardened plastic. The moldings don't lack details like negative engraved panel lines, rivets and static discharger antennas. The wheel wells have nice details of hydraulic hoses and electric cables. But if you want to, upgrade with some scratch build. The radar cone is molded from one piece and it looks very nice. A very good option is to choose whether you can leave the vertical stabilizer control surfaces, horizontal stabilizers, flaperons and the leading edges of the wings extended or retracted. The jet exhaust turbines are poorly detailed. I expected more. You have an option to choose from two jet nozzles. The cockpit details are very nice. I think it deserves to be built and painted out of the box. But if you want to, you can choose to upgrade it with some decals from the kit. I will add decals only for the instrument indicators and mainly for the MFDs. The ejection seat have nice details, but I don't like the molded seat belts. I will definitely create my own from scratch. It's becoming a habit for me to upgrade my models. The landing gear legs are no exception. They definitely need some hydraulics and cabling. The kit includes two Sorpsia ECM pods. As far as I know, I didn't saw any UB flanker equipped with it. I know that the upgraded single-seater SM version uses the ECM pods. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. The kit comes with a wide choice of air-to-air weapons. You can equip the flanker with 4 radar-guided R-77s, 4 semi-active radar-guided R-27s-R, 4 R-27s-ER, 4 infrared R-27Ts, 4 R-27ETs, and 4 R-73Es. The clear paths look amazing. There are no visible bursts or scratches. You can build your model with a closed or open cockpit canopy. The second clear plastic sprue includes parts like heads-up displays, electro-optical system, landing and navigation lights, and sensors for the air-to-air missiles. This kit also includes more metal parts like angle of attack sensors and cockpit canopy mirrors, and the tires are made from actual rubber. The instruction manual is readable and easy to follow. Best is to read it a couple of times. You will avoid mistakes. I found out that some work steps or painting instructions are missing. Luckily, we have internet, so there will be need for studying pictures. The markings and paintings manual includes 3 camouflage schemes, 2 Russian and 1 Chinese. The first and the third paint scheme are complete, but they forgot to include the second. Luckily, the second paint scheme can be also found in the 1-48 scale Great Wall Hobby manual and in the Zvezda's 1-72 scale manual. On both sides is a color converter from Mr. Hobby, Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya and Humbrol paints. The second markings and paintings manual is focused to the air-to-air missiles and weapon hardpoints. The kit has 3 decal sheets. The first includes insignias and tactical numbers, the second includes technical stencils, and the third includes decals for the missiles, weapon hardpoints, and the cockpit. Okay, that was enough for this quick review. I think the kit is good. More information about the kit and its pros and cons I will discuss in the actual build. Until then, keep modeling and stay awesome. Bye.